Hi all learners. After a long time, I'm making this video. This video is like I was working on some project where I was saying that people are having little confusion on that where to exit, where exactly we need to take a exit call. तो वो एग्जिट कॉल किसी से अगर आप नहीं ले पाओगे सही से, आप ओपिनियन के ऊपर ही डिपेंड करोगे. एंड अनदर थिंग आई बिलीव इंडिया इज अ place no where many wonderful companies are there, and it is not possible for you to hold all 100 companies in your portfolio, even after shortlisting out of 5 6,000 stocks. Now the point is, I'm not against of investment. So what I'm saying that there will be a like opportunity in India, like a pre-graduate rally, summer rally, festival rally, any other tailwind. So three, four occasions will be there in a year. If you can spot those, there is no shortcut. Only thing is our application will present data to you, numerical, fundamental, technical, everything. Now you need to spot whether you are comfortable as per your circle of competence. You want to take that particular business after reading data. So it's a just a fintech platform where we'll be showing you data. No recommendation, nothing. You need to interpret in your way. We will be showing you data. And what I saw, people unable to understand sector rotation properly, they continuously ask where to take. And second thing is, people don't take a right exit. फाइन, एक अच्छा कंपनी गिर गया है आपका, जो भी मतलब लाइक व्यू है, that is for 3 years, 1 year, 2 years you are holding, then I'm not talking about. But if your view is for 1 month, 2 months, 1 week, then you should know that where you are taking your entry. If you're taking a small mistake, even we do make, I also make. So how we can bridge that? So that how we can, because as a human, no, we may forget certain thing, but how we cannot, like how we can say no that based on data, आपके आंखों के सामने अगर होगा, you will be little cautious. So what we have done, no, देखो कि यहाँ से मार्केट में आपको अगर एग्जिट मिल जाता अराउंड 30 अक्टूबर को मार्केट ने स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स, मोस्टली पीपल इन इंडियन मार्केट आर होल्डिंग स्मॉल कैप्स, ओनली फ्यू म्यूचुअल फंड्स हाउस और फ्यू पीपल आर होल्डिंग लार्ज कैप. लार्ज कैप ऊपर जा रहा था, बट आप अगर देखोगे ना कि यहाँ पे मार्केट में यहाँ से टॉप बनना स्टार्ट हो गया, मतलब जो भी है टॉप हो गया, देन इट केम डाउन टू 16,000 लेवल. तो इतना बड़ा जो 17,500 टू 16,000 आपने अगर एग्जिट नहीं लिया है किसी भी कारण, सो देन इट इज अ समथिंग विच वी नीड टू करेक्ट और रेक्टिफाई. सो दैट वाज द ऑब्जेक्टिव, कि कहीं ना कहीं पे ठीक है सिस्टम अगर डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन प्रॉपरली नहीं होगा, सो विल बी मेकिंग सम मिस्टेक्स. बट डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन अगर सही से होता है, there will be very less chance to make mistakes. So how we can narrow that thing and how we can simplify that thing. So that we have done in our application. As of now, it is in a beta stage. We will be going on a fundamental also, backend work is going on. So I just want to show you the data. This is a valuepicker.in website. You can go and log in. So as of now, it is in a beta version. It is free. Slowly will be roll out in next month. And this is a pure fintech application. We are not going to give any recommendation to you. So what I found that people are facing certain problem, that if we can resolve that, so fundamental data also will come. So where you can see many metrics which are missing. I was not getting that. Many good applications are there. They're very good. But the way I want those data, so we'll be incorporating. I feel that that will be more logical for you if you can see certain numbers, not only pad with a cash flow in the same place. That will give you an in-depth idea of what is happening. Company is increasing their sales, Uh, at the same time, receivable also piling up in a 2x speed. So whether any related party transactions are there or not. So all those things, or inventories are piling, cash flows are negative. So what is happening? Trade receivables are increasing. So all these things, red and green flags, you can see on your numbers. So it's not only on technical data, it's not only numerical data. When you take a decision based on all the connecting dots, your reading, your research, everything. So it's not only that okay fine मैं इस एप्लीकेशन में आ गया मैंने ये सारे देख लिया और मुझे ये पता चल गया तो आई विल टेक दिस कॉल इफ यू आर डूइंग इट यू आर लकी most of the time but if you are not selecting a main objective should be selecting a good business even after selecting a good business things may not happen in your way so you need to manage your risk portfolio risk आपके एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर है कि कितना ड्रॉ डाउन लेने के बाद आप कितना आगे जा सकते हो व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस यू हैव सो दोज थिंग्स कम विद एन एक्सपीरियंस आई वुड से रिस्क मैनेजमेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए किसी भी न्यू पर्सन के लिए फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी एंड लो एलोकेशन वॉट एवर यू कैन लूज दैट यू कैन पुट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट एज पर मी so when you are having experience slowly you can increase but a newbie should not exceed their mind capacity now we have given a sector and stock, industry rotation, bulk deal, filter of stocks, FNO dashboard. These are the things which are pending. Promoter buying we have given, it is also we are working on. So I'll be showing today the main confusion people are having when to exit. So we have given a market breadth. In market breadth, we have given a score where we know that okay fine this 50-55 is a greed zone where people are having a greed and this is a anything below 35 to 55 is a neutral zone 55 and above it is a greed zone less than 35 that time you should have a courage that whatever you have read or gone through you should look at that whether you can take decision or not it will just only tell you that this is a greed if you come at we have seen market in almost on a 31st October at a so if you come this particular 29th October then 31st October all are red. Red doesn't mean that market is red. It is conveying you this is the time you should reduce your exposure slowly. Now if you look at slowly it is coming on a neutral zone almost at a 18 November and then slowly light green and deep green is coming. Now, if you come at and see that, okay, fine, 8 December onwards, the continuously the price was falling, and on a 8 December, 9 December, we got a continuous. It is a mixed signal when we are getting, and now you see in this particular 3rd December onwards, a consecutive green signal. Consecutive green signal means people are in fear. People are in here also fear, but we are getting a clarity that people are in fear. Now on fear, if you buy, so say any of the place, if you are buying 8, 9 or 10 in this particular zone, so index made a good bounce from that particular place 16,000 to 84 still trend is down trend is down unless like I'm not talking about that what you need to do now I'm talking about what this data is saying to you data has given a clear cut that this is a complete greed people are having in this particular place and this is a zone where people are having a fear green is fear should not trigger as red greed should trigger as a red that is why I kept it as red and now when it is green you are getting okay fine so this is a place no where I can take my call that whatever I'm confident if I go, and now again it is going on a continuously hyper, and again you will see, again at this particular level, on a for 24th December, you will see almost in this particular zone, 22nd, 23rd, we have already started giving a, like data has given the red signal to you, slow down, slow down. So now what has happened? Now once you know slow down, you will reduce your exposure, you will shift certain sector. That also, like what exactly this data is saying, where to exactly actually reduce your exposure, and where one can take their own decisions. So this is a green and red data. It's not that I'm saying that okay, you reduced exposure and you add year. It is just saying this particular data, which I'm going to show you in this. So if you come on this particular data, what we have given, that how many stocks on a 9th December, if you look at, only 250 companies are above 20 EMA. Only 284 companies are above 50 EMA. So when things are worst, so number of EMA stocks out of 1350 stocks, only 250 stocks are, so it's only 15% stocks are above. So most of the stocks are falling. So now again when it gone to 688 number of 20 EMA, so it started falling. Again it at a 469. Again people are not confident. So it is in a neutral zone that this particular data is conveying to you. It is not giving a buy and sell decisions. Now the point is how you can use your this data. That is completely, once you start using it, you are talking about that okay fine, this is a zone to slow down. Now come on this particular post market bit, come on a sector and stock. What we are giving here, we will not take much time on this particular thing. When we'll be officially launching, no, we'll be coming with a detailed video. So this is a broader indices. This is a sectoral indices. In sectoral indices also, you can check, fine. This is the 5 day, you can understand that, okay, these are the sector, no, which are having a strong strength. And these are the sector, no, where we should not look at, or even if you can take, you can look at. If you are thinking, okay, fine, we are getting something, no, at a very reasonable valuation. This sector I should look at, Nifty Energy. It is at a 14.80. So it's maybe good. Let me have a look. So it's completely up to us how we want to. We can take your decision on our oversold zone also. You can take your decision, but this data will show you that okay, fine, these are the sector no came on our oversold zone. RSI 36, 39. So it may be good, it may be bad. You need to interpret based on your scale. Now, metal is 73, commodity 61. It is clearly stating that these are the sector, no, continuously having a demand. And we have spotted all this thing, no, very, very early. Because the way we are using this data, if you are using uh, the process, you'll be getting a right direction. Yeah, definitely one may avoid. No, I don't want to take a risky alpha sup like heavy movement is happening in a metal. I don't want to take. I want to go for a good businesses. That is completely up to us how we want to take. And second is industry rotation. So which industry where we should focus on? We have given a score. If you go on a date wise also, like if I say you that fine, let me just show you on if it comes in copper. Say in copper, we spotted at a very early level, but okay, fine. Even if I talk now from 330 43rd December, if you take a data from a 3rd December, you'll be seeing some non-ferrous metal is getting attention. Metals are getting attention. So 9 score is low, but it is started getting attention. Now, if you just go and click, okay, non-ferrous metal. So what are the companies you are getting? in copper, in zinc, national aluminum. So all this price you just look at 339, 504. So now it is up to us whether we want to take this particular sector or how you are interpreting. Now come on this, even our 10th December data, if you look at, you'll be seeing continuously non-ferrous metal number is increasing. The data number is continuously increasing. Now the thing is Hindustan Zinc 512 from 339 to 512 it has gone. Now come to say 17th. What is the situation? Again, you will see that metal mining, all these sector, you are getting clarity. Now you are not depending on others, not asking others you what to do. We have given here RSI. Clearly, you can see, okay, fine, when to avoid even if it is really extended, say 78. So we have given that also. It will come on a rate. As of now, it's not coming. But when things will be above 70, it may be explosive move may come. Also, maybe a last rally is happening. RSI will just give a short-term understanding. It will not, RSI never gives you a long-term what is going to happen. RSI may fall 10% and again it may go up based on a demand. So you need to take your call that where which sector you are confident, not only based on this, based on your fundamental understanding and any other understanding, whatever you want, you love chart, so you can take call based on chart also. So once you get a clear clarity, okay, fine, this is the sector, no, where I should look at. Now, if I see that, okay, fine, beverage sector is coming, cement is coming, getting some good score, daily movement performance also, if you want to look at, no, I want to short to daily performance. So you'll see that, okay, automobile is also coming. So, automobile, these are the companies are having a good move. So if Force Motor is having a high score, Maruti is having, Voletta is having a score. Based on a strength, we have given a score. Based on a strength, so we have given a score. Okay, fine. This is the sector, no? 11 days or 22 days positive, 5 days positive, daily positive. So we have given a better score to this particular high strength is there price wise, EMA wise, distance from a 20 EMA. Distance from a, like, are you taking a very far extended thing or it is near 20 EMA? Everything, whether you are taking below 20 EMA stock, so that also you can look at over here. So all this thing covered. Now, if you want to compare with a Nifty 50 performance, that also you can compare. If you want to compare with a Nifty 500, that also you can compare. So Nifty 50, Nifty 500, every performance, so whatever you want, no, that you can compare through this particular tab. Now come on oil sector also showing some sort of positive 0.8. You should pay attention. Why? Because see, if you see, no, here we have given 100. That means every stock is positive over here. Here, 75% stocks are positive, all are not positive. Transport, 33% stocks are positive. You may ignore also 84%, 81% stocks. So, in this way, we have given a score also. So, you can take a very fast decision that which sector to look at. Now, post industry rotation, this is a industry rotation, sector rotation you understood, industry rotation you understood. Now tell me that where you need to take help from others. Now you don't have to take help from others' opinion. If you really read, and then we will be coming with a fundamental data where we are giving a little bit easier for you to take decisions. And now let me show you that how it looks on a, say if I go on a in copper. So you'll be seeing this kind of a page where fundamental also will come. So as of now, you will get a price trend. So from price also, and now you will get a data, also numerical data that what is happening, how much delivery has been taken, all these things. It is visible to you. Last 66 days. what is the move has happened, RSI is what, all these things, how many bundle is going on. Now you want to filter. I want to get a 5 day return where is a 5% and more, or 10% or more. So you'll see that the particular stock has given continuously positive return. Now RSI extreme you want to check. So we'll be coming with so many other option also we are incorporating. So another thing, so you are getting a clarity on a chart, you are getting a data, you will be getting a fundamental as well. Now come to filter. Now here you can know filter that I want to just check stock within 5,000 to 10,000 market cap. And I want to know where investment like delivery has happened more than 50 crore. So you'll get, okay, fine. These are the stock, no, where some 50 crore delivery has happened. Let me have a look, KPI green. So what is going on? So you'll see that the trend is down. Someone has bought, now the part is fundamental. That why something is happening. Either you will do a reverse engineering, you will see some movement has happened, then you go on depth, or you are going to on a depth in a fundamental, then you are coming to this. So whatever way you do your selection, no, you'll be doing it. Now you'll be saying, okay, fine. This data is coming 70% up. Somebody like total delivery has taken 166%, was 66 crore. Fine. So all this data like available to you. Now, whether you'll be buying, whether you'll be selling, whatever you want to do, that is your decision. We will not say anything to you. Next part is promoter buying. That also we have given. So where you can see it is also, this is under like a work in progress. It is not yet completed. So this is the place now where you'll be able to see, okay, fine, these are the promoter activity has happened this particular sector. Now, if you come on a wild deal, these are the work in progress section. Now you'll be seeing, okay, fine, last 5 day 180 wild deal has happened. Last 22 days, well, 736 wild deal has happened. So this data you'll be getting. Okay, top accumulation is happened. These are the sector where some buying is happening continuously. Now, it may be buy, it may be sell. It's completely up to us to take our individual call. So as of now, this much we have updated. I just came to convey all of you that this is the reason I was not active much, and it was a long process what we are doing. I hope that everyone will support us what we are building. As of now, it is on a beta version, so we are not charging anything. It will be very competitive, so everyone can use, and for their own uh, purpose, like whatever way they want, like they want to use for an investment, they want to do for a trading, whatever you way you want. We are not defining that only momentum trading you do or only investment you do. It is up to your skill. So that's it. Thank you, everyone.